course, let's begin by finding a comfortable place to let your body rest. If you can lay down, that's my suggestion, but you could also do this meditation seated. Make sure you shut off any technology that might disturb you and have done your best to create an environment that is supportive to you taking time to press the pause button. Once you've got yourself comfortable, lying on your back or seated in a chair or sitting on a cushion, make sure you're warm enough and allow your eyes to close. We'll work with a embodying practice, a body scan meditation to connect again with the physical self as a conduit to connect with Source. To use your body as a vehicle into the present moment. With your eyes closed, we'll begin by taking a few moments to get in touch with the movement of your breath. Not changing anything, but it's the first dive into your awareness practice here. Being aware of your breath, just how it is now. Notice if there's any sensations in your body. The physical sensations in your body. Notice any areas of touch or pressure, like where a limb might rest on the floor or on the bed. And with every out-breath, allow yourself to let go and to sink a little bit deeper into whatever it is that's supporting you. To allow your bones to become heavier every breath out. Remind yourself of the intention of this practice. It's not to feel any different, to feel more relaxed or calm or happier. This might happen, but it might not. Instead, the intention of this practice is, as best you can, to bring awareness to any sensations you detect. As you focus on each part of your body, bringing awareness to that singular piece of information you're receiving. And take a breath in through your nose and a breath out through your mouth. Shift your awareness to the physical sensations in your lower belly. Becoming aware of the changing, the movements, and even the pattern of sensation in your low belly as you breathe in and as you breathe out. And take a moment to feel just that, breathing in, breathing out, and what sensational patterns might accompany. Breathing in and breathing out. Shift the focus of your attention down your left leg into the left foot, and even out the toes of the left foot. And focus on each of the toes in the left foot, bringing a gentle curiosity to investigate the quality of the sensations you find. Each toe, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, pinky toe. You might notice a sense of contact between the toes, a sense of tingling, warmth, or maybe no particular sensation. And when you're ready, when you inhale next naturally, feel or visualize the breath entering the lungs and then passing down into the abdomen, into the left leg, down the left leg, into the left foot, and out to the toes of the left foot. Then on the out breath, feel or imagine the breath coming all the way back up, out of the foot, into the leg, through the abdomen, the chest, throat, and out through the nose. And continue this for a few breaths. If it feels difficult to get the hang of it, practice breathing into as best you can, approaching it with a sense of lightness. And breathing out of as much as you can. Feeling the physical body as a place for the breath to move through. When you're ready, on an out breath, let go of awareness of the toes and bring your awareness to the sensation on the bottom of your left foot. Bring a gentle, investigative awareness to the sole of the foot, the instep, the heel, maybe noticing where the sensation of the heel makes contact with the ground or with your bed. Experiment with this idea of breathing with the sensations, being aware of the breath in the background, and in the foreground you explore the sensations of the lower foot. Now allow the awareness to expand into the rest of the foot, to the ankle, the top of the foot, into the bones and into the joints. Taking in a slightly deeper breath, directing it down into the whole of the left foot, and as the breath lets go, on the out breath, let go of the left foot completely, allowing the focus of awareness to move into the lower left leg, calf, shin, knee, even into the upper leg, into the pelvis, and landing back at the abdomen. Continue to bring awareness and a gentle curiosity to the physical sensations in each part of the rest of the body, to the upper left leg, and then moving to the right toes, the right foot, the right leg, the pelvis, front and back of the pelvis, the abdomen, the front of the belly, upper and lower, and your back, lower back and upper back. Continue breathing with each of these areas of focus, with the breath in the background and the physical body in the foreground. Your investigative, sensations at the front of your focus. Feel your chest breathing in and breathing out. Let the attention move to the fingers on both hands at the same time. The thumb, first finger, second finger, ring finger, and pinky. And again, noticing if you feel any warmth or tingling, or maybe you notice where the fingers are touching each other, or maybe where the fingers are touching a surface. And then the hands, the whole hand, right and left hand at the same time. Breathing with as you allow your attention to spotlight on the forearms, right forearm and left forearm. To the upper arms, feel the skin but also the bones of the upper arms at the same time. Breathing with as you let your sensation investigation travel to the shoulders, to the collarbones, into the throat and the whole neck, the front of the throat and the back of the throat, and the head. And feel the scalp as a whole, as best you can. Feel your inner ears as if they could dilate more to listen to the sound of sensation. Even to the temperature of the air as the breath moves gently and naturally in and out of the nostrils. Notice the color on the backs of the eyelids as the eyes take in the view of your inner space. And breathe into that. And as you breathe out, let it go. If you become aware of any tension in your body, or if any of the sensations felt intense, what happens if you breathe into them gently, bringing awareness right into the sensation as best you can? And the next sensation is that of letting go, or the out breath, or releasing. The mind will inevitably wander away from the breath, and even away from the body from time to time. The invitation is to continue to return to this home of physical self, a way to anchor into your inner resource, recentering in your body. We'll take a moment to use these tools to do one more scan from your toes to the head and to the face and the eyes on your own, breathing in to feel the sensation and breathing out to let go. Just about a minute or two of quiet, knowing that I'm still here with you as you scan the whole body, letting the attention wander and also bringing your attention back if it wanders too far. Beginning to make your way again to the scalp, the skull, and the face. Once you have again scanned the whole body in this gentle way, spend a moment being aware of a sense of the body as a whole. Sense the whole body at the same time. Allowing the breath to flow freely in and out. You can start to wiggle the fingers a little bit, wiggle the toes. Maybe move your head from side to side so your chin shifts toward one shoulder and then the other. If it feels authentic for you, take one hand over your heart and affirm to yourself that this is a home that you can return to at any time. That this way of slowing down and grounding and reconnecting is available to you within the home, within the temple of your body. Let's take a breath together. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Thank you for making your practice a priority.